What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade here again with another hardware wallet unboxing video for you. And in today's video, we have a very unique hardware wallet. I did a previous video on it before going over the fundamentals, but here I've actually received the wallet. There was some delays in shipping due to pandemic. However, with this, I finally got it in my possession. I'm really excited to unbox it and take a look. This is the Sugi card, or the Sugi wallet. This is an NFC credit card shaped form factor hardware wallet where you can sign transactions by interfacing with the iOS or Android app and tapping the card on the actual device itself to sign and authorize transactions. So let's go ahead and take a look at the device itself, and I'll kind of discuss what different coins it holds. Also, I will be discussing how you can use it in real world situations and real shops and things like that. So you can see it's very untraditional. It has no cables, no plugins, no hardware whatsoever. It actually just comes with this packaging here, much like a credit card. Pull the tab off here and we'll see how it works. Excellent. So it says, did you know that Sugi is a Japanese red cedar tree with a pretty cool Latin name, Cryptomeria japonica? Interesting. Okay. Wow. Okay, so here we go. This is the Sugi wallet. It says, make your crypto transactions secure and simple using Sugi. And it essentially is just what appears to look like a credit card. So the numbers that are on here, you can't use directly it's not partnered with Visa or MasterCard or any of the payment networks, but what this does allow you to do is utilize this secure element chip, the EMV chip that you see here, and it also has the tap to NFC enable so that you can interface directly with your smartphone. Again, has no batteries, has no charging cables, has no other hardware to interface with, just this card, which is built for encryption. As far as the coins that it is holding, it's going to hold your basic Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, all ERC20 tokens, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, and then it's going to be adding several coins later. But right now, those are the basics, which most hardware wallets are going to cover. This one is just a basic entry-level card. It's going for about $64.80 right now, directly through their website, and I will link a special offer down below for you in the description. You have an option to pay an extra $10. I think it's $10 to $12 more. You can get it customized with any name that you want, your name, whatever. So someone can return it to you if they lose it, but it's very inconspicuous. What I do like about it is that you can fit it in your wallet. It looks like just like any other credit card, but obviously you can use this for you if you're trying to pay for crypto transactions and you want to keep it secure. You can have your private key stored directly on the card. You basically tap this to set it up on the device itself. On the iPhone app, it's a free download in the App Store, and then it will walk you through creating your 24 recovery seed word phrase. It'll walk you through getting it set up and enabling your different wallets. But what I really like about this is that it's soon going to have the functionality that you can actually use this to withdraw money from ATMs, convert your crypto directly to fiat, and be able to use it point of sale. So very, very interesting. Let me see what else it comes with here. So it did come with, looks like another card here. This is an RFID blocker, so if anyone tries to skim it or anything like that, you can just hold it basically on the back, when you're storing it in your wallet or the back of your smartphone or whatever, so that way that no one can skim it, or anything like that, so it makes it extra secure. So this is just an RFID blocker. It does give you a QR code so that you can scan this with your smartphone, and it will take you directly to the App Store to download the free app as well. So again, some of the key differentiators or key points of this hardware wallet is, number one, you don't have to charge it. It's not a physical device. It has no USB connection. Two, it does allow you to use directly with a secure communication method known as NFC. So you simply just tap it on the smartphone and not only allow you to set it up, but that's how you sign and authorize transactions. You can also set up multi-factor authentication within the app as well. So if you want to use Touch ID or Face ID or anything like that as well, you can. So basically, I just wanted to kind of point this out as a new option for hardware wallets. Pretty affordable. It's right in line with the same pricing as like a Ledger Nano S, but this is going to be more easy to use and very easy to sign transactions securely. If you want to be able to sign transactions with your crypto on the go, and you don't necessarily want to carry your crypto hardware wallet in your pocket, your USB cables, your computer, that kind of thing. So this is really nice for just making it really easy to put into your wallet, take it with you, and still have your private keys stored offline. So very, very interesting here. As you can see behind me here on their website, it's same thing, it's PIN protected. It interfaces directly with the iOS app here, or Android if you have it. And then you can transfer money directly to other people that have a Sugi. All you do is simply send a text message with the contact. You can tap it to sign. That also makes it a lot easier. So if someone else has a Sugi card, you can pay them directly and authorize it while keeping your private key stored offline on this, which I think is pretty cool. Very unique selling proposition that you're not going to get with ease of use with other hardware wallets for crypto. So I do like that this is different in that respect. You know, obviously it does have multiple coins, but to be honest, the coin selection isn't that vast. You're just basically getting, like I mentioned before, Bitcoins, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ripple, and all ERC20 tokens, with more coins coming as well. It's very secure as far as the way that it's designed. It does have a secure chip. It is PIN protected. You can set up multiple forms of authentication, and it does appear to come with this RFID blocker for your wallet as well. So obviously you want to keep those separate when you're signing the transactions, because this is going to block the signal that the NFC chip enables. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up here. I think this wallet is good for people that are new to the ecosystem. You're not looking to hold any specialty coins outside of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, or any of the ERC20 tokens. But this is very good as far as being very mobile, very user-friendly, and not having to learn how to set up multiple, cables and interfaces and ways to use it. So simply just tap it on the phone. Description of that in the video as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up here. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about the Sugi hardware wallet, leave them down below in the description. I will answer them for you. I have another video up of this soon of me actually using this in a real world scenario, like at a restaurant or a bar, once we get our world back. And I'm really excited to be able to test this out and go ahead and set that up as well. So very, very simple, very traditional. And again, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel, we cover lots of crypto products and services, and specializing in hardware wallets and crypto security. So if that's something that you're interested in, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll be having a lot more consistent videos coming out for you. That's going to be it for you today on the Sugi hardware wallet unboxing video.